Right hand screw rule. According to the right hand screw rule, if the screw is rotated in the direction from P to Q through the smaller angle. See here, I have taken two cases over here. Here it is the direction is from P to Q, and in this case the direction is from Q to P. So in both the cases we apply right hand screw rule and we'll see what will be the direction of resultant. Then the direction in which the tip of the screw advances means this is the screw. When this screw, the tip of the screw, the direction in which the tip of the screw advances is the direction of resultant vector. I have taken P and Q vectors over here. When I multiply them, I will get a resultant R, which is also vector quantity. So what I will do, I will take a screw. According to the statement of right hand screw rule, I will rotate this screw from P to Q. Let us see. See here, I have kept a screw over here. This is my screw, and I am going to rotate this in the direction from P to Q. So what will happen when I move from P to Q? When I move from P to Q, see here, this is in this direction, so I am moving in the P to Q form from P to Q. Then what will happen? The screw will come out. The screw will come out. See here. What is my conclusion? The direction of resultant vector which we get after the multiplication of P and Q, that will be out of the plane or out of the page, out of the screen, you can say. So can I draw the resultant vector coming out of the screen, out of the plane like this? So this is the direction of your resultant vector. How we rotated the screw? In this direction. So can I show the direction of resultant vector by the unit vector u cap with the suffix r, where u r cap shows the direction of resultant vector r. The same thing we are going to apply in this figure also. If I rotate this screw from the direction Q to P, so what will happen when I rotate this screw in the direction Q to P? See here, the direction is shown from Q to P. What will happen? The tip of the screw advances inside the page or inside the plane. So what is your conclusion? The direction of resultant vector after multiplication of this P and Q is inside the plane, inside the page. So to show the direction of R inside the plane, can I draw like this? So what is your conclusion? This is the direction of R. So to show the direction of R, what we write? That is u r cap. And how we rotated? We rotated in the direction like this. So this is known as right hand screw rule.